Dreamforce. In fact, 2 weeks ago, we did an announcement where 20 partners made their apps available on the Apple Watch, so you can run your business from your wrist. And if you're not familiar with this, go look up the announcement. But this is a huge area of innovation for us on wearables, and we have a wearables development kit that you can access. Now, a year ago, we launched Wave, the analytics cloud, which provides analytics for the rest of us run on any mobile device. This year, we're announcing the Wave platform for partners. So we've got a set of pilot partners on screen who've been working with us in pre-release mode. It's hard to work with Salesforce in pre-release mode, so thank you very much. And you can see all these demos in the analytics keynote on Thursday and in the analytics zone, which is actually right outside the main doorway to this keynote room. So when we did a demo day a couple weeks ago, some of the demos were so cool that we just wanted to highlight one demo for you today. So give me a couple of minutes, and we want to highlight a great demo from a partner called Saama. So as we queue up the demo, let me tell you a little bit about what you're going to see. Basically, you're looking at a demo targeted at a particular industry, which is healthcare, but the patient experience is really any customer experience, whether you call it patient, user, citizen, client. It's the experience. Managing your key constituencies' experience is important for all industries. So if we queue up the demo, please. What we're looking at is a patient experience dashboard. So imagine that I'm in charge of patient care at a set of hospitals within a city. And what I'm looking at here is patient sentiment. So you can see that this particular hospital in the Southwest is actually doing pretty well. I'm 76% positive in the opinion. And this data and those scatter charts are all coming in from a variety of sources. Coming in from social media, coming in from surveys, coming in from Salesforce data. Now, I'm pretty happy with this. This looks like a Yelp for healthcare, right? It's, how is this hospital doing? Do I want to go to this hospital if I have a choice? And let me take a look at another hospital. So let's go to the Northeast Hospital. All right, you can see my little scatter plots moving. My opinion is only 20% positive. That's a 50% drop. And I'm a little bit concerned as the patient care head. So let me drill down into the details. Now, what you can see here, this is not your mother's reports and dashboards. You cannot do this in Salesforce without analytics. It's a completely different feel, and that's really what Saama has done. Saama, I forgot to mention earlier, Saama is a partner who's relatively new to our ecosystem, but they have been in business for 18 years. They're an analytics company. They know analytics. Why did they go with the Wave platform? Because it provides this very pretty, easy, intuitive interface, and also provides access on all mobile devices. So coming back to my sentiment detail at Northeast Hospital, if I look at the negative sentiment, I hate to focus on the negative, but that is my concern right now. There are keywords that keep coming up in social media posts. Pain, not good. Communication, which I presume it means lack of, and waiting time, which is my personal beef when I go to a hospital. So when I'm looking at this, this is keyword search, again, from multiple data sets. And for the Northeast Hospital, I'm going to need to get this fixed. So I'm going to notify my site administrator at this hospital, whose name is Andrew. And I need Andrew to take a look at this dropping sentiment, and let's figure out what we can do about it. So I send the notification to Andrew. Now, as Andrew, I oversee a single hospital, and I am roaming the halls of that hospital all the time. So let's pull up Andrew's iPhone. And you can see that on the mobile device, Andrew's going to see my notification. He's going to see exactly the same data I was looking at on my desktop. He can see the 20% positive. He can drill down into the details and look at the words that are coming up. Scrolling down to see the negative sentiment, because once again, I'm focusing on the negative here. And Andrew can do all this from his phone. And that's the power of the Wave platform for partners here. It's the different views of different data sets, but looking the same across your desktop and your mobile device.